In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Gemini male voice to female. By the end, you'll know exactly where this setting lives and how to switch it in just a few taps without digging through unnecessary menus. First, open the Google app on your phone or tablet. This is the standard Google app you use for search, not a separate assistant app. Give it a moment to load so all the menu items are available. If you keep multiple Google-related apps, double-check you're opening the one simply labeled Google, as that's where the Gemini settings are managed. Next, go into Settings. In most versions of the Google app, you'll find Settings by tapping your profile picture or initial in the top right corner, then choosing Settings from the list. If your app theme or layout looks a little different, don't worry. Settings is still the place you're aiming for, and it's usually near the top of that account menu. Inside Settings, look for the Gemini option. This section controls how Gemini behaves within the Google app. If you don't immediately see Gemini, you may need to scroll a bit. On some devices or regions, the Gemini label might appear under Assistant or AI features, but it should clearly mention Gemini when you find it. Keep in mind that menus can vary slightly by device and app version, so take a second to read the section names rather than rushing past them. Once you're in the Gemini area, tap Gemini's voice. This is the specific control that sets the voice Gemini uses when speaking responses aloud. You'll usually see a list of available voices, each with a short sample or a name that distinguishes them. The interface might show a preview button, so you can hear how a voice sounds before applying it. Now, select the female voice you prefer. Tap the option labeled as a female voice and wait for the check mark or confirmation indicator to appear. If there's a short preview, listen briefly to make sure the tone and pace match what you want. When you back out of the menu, the change is saved automatically in most cases. A quick tip: if you don't see multiple voice choices, make sure your Google app is up to date and that your language is supported for voice options. Availability can vary by region and language settings. That's all there is to it. You opened the Google app, went into Settings, entered the Gemini section, tapped Gemini's voice, and selected a female voice. You can return to this menu anytime to change it again as your preferences evolve.